Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans is offered by Grace Loan Advance, a marketplace lending platform founded in 2015 and based in Los Angeles, CA. Grace Loan Advance personal loans are available in 50 states and Washington, D.C. Pros: low APRs available to qualified borrowers. Loan options with $0 origination fee. Considers applicants with fair credit. Funding available within 1 business day. Cons: APRs as high as 35.99%. Do not offer pre-approval with soft credit pull. Charges prepayment fees. Charges a late fee. What interest rates and personal loan terms does Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans offer? Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans has lower than average interest rates for lenders reviewed on Supermoney. What interest rates does Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans offer? Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans offers a variable APR personal loan product that ranges from 5.99% APR up to 35.99% APR. How much can you borrow via Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans? Personal loan amounts start at $100 and go up to $35,000. What is the maximum loan term you can get with Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans? Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans offers loans with terms of up to 72 months. Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans interest rates and loan terms. Personal loan amount $100 to $35,000. Loan term up to 72 months. APR from 5.99% to 35.99%. What fees does Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans charge? Does Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans charge an origination fee? Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans does not charge a personal loan origination fee. A personal loan origination fee is what some lenders charge for processing, underwriting, and funding a personal loan. Typically, origination fees range from 0.5% to 5% of the personal loan amount. Whenever possible, go with lenders that don't charge origination fees. Does Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans charge a late fee? No. Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans will not charge you a late fee if you miss one of the monthly payments. Does Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans charge prepayment fees? No. Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans does not charge prepayment fees. This means you will not have to pay additional fees if you decide to pay the personal loan off early. What do you need to qualify for Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans? When it comes to credit scores, Grace Loan Advance doesn't have a set minimum or maximum. People with all types of credit scores can apply. The minimum age to be eligible is 18 or the state minimum, whichever is higher. Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans does not have or does not disclose a minimum annual income eligibility requirement. Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans only considers borrowers who are employed. The Military Lending Act, 32 CFR SS 232, prohibits lenders from charging service members more than 36% APR on credit extended to covered borrowers. Active duty service members and their covered dependents are eligible to apply for a loan via Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans. Their rates fall within the limits of the Military Lending Act. U.S. citizens and permanent resident or green card holders are eligible to apply for the services offered by Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans. To qualify, applicants may need to provide the following documentation. Applicants must have an active and valid personal checking or savings account. Proof of income. Recent bank statements. Driver's license. What is the estimated funding time for a personal loan via Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans? Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans will typically approve or deny a loan application within 24 hours and fund loans within business day of approval. Does Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans report your account activity to credit bureaus? Yes, Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans reports your account activity to the following credit reporting agencies: Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. Making regular on-time payments to a creditor that reports to one or more credit bureaus will demonstrate your financial responsibility and may help improve your credit. Are Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans legit? Grace Loan Advance Personal Loans was founded in 2015. It is an established company that has been in business for 8 years. Unfortunately, we don't have sufficient community reviews to provide a reliable rating of their user experience and customer service.